Do you want to make your grocery shopping more efficient? You're not alone. Most of us want to get in and out of the grocery store as quickly as possible, while still getting everything we need and saving some money along the way. Here are 10 ways to make that happen. First, plan your weekly meals. Knowing exactly what you need for the week cuts down on time spent wandering the aisles and reduces the chance of impulse buys. Second, make a list. Organize it by aisle to save time and ensure you don't forget anything. Third, consider buying in bulk. For items you use regularly, bulk buying can save both time and money. Fourth, don't forget about coupons. They're not just in newspapers anymore. Check online or in your grocery store's app for digital coupons. Fifth, check out the specials. Most grocery stores offer daily or weekly deals that can save you a bundle. Sixth, stock up on sales. If an item you use regularly is on sale, consider buying extra to save in the long run. Seventh, embrace store brands. Often they're just as good as the name brands, but at a fraction of the price. Eighth, shop during slow times. Avoiding the crowds can make your shopping trip faster and less stressful. Ninth, shop the perimeter. This is where the freshest foods like produce, dairy, and meat are usually located. And finally, don't shop hungry. You're more likely to make impulse buys and less healthy choices if you shop on an empty stomach. So there you have it. 10 tips to make your grocery shopping more efficient, from planning your meals and making a list to embracing store brands and shopping during off-peak hours. Happy shopping.